up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovely Mirror, and I am back with another video. That's right. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, even though you haven't watched the video yet, but I know y'all gonna be feeling it. Show your girl some love. Now, to those of you that are new, I do make units. I sell units. My website will be linked down below. But today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my glueless units. And right now, I'm just showing you guys the foundation of what I draw, my outline, or whatever you want to call it. Next, I'm going to be doubling my wefts. I always double my wefts off the caps. It is a little faster when you double the wefts on the caps. It cuts down time a little. But here I'm just showing you guys how I do so. It's very, very easy. Now, you guys, this is not a tutorial. This is just me doing what I do, doing what I love. And I'm just showing you guys what I do. Now, if you're going to start to do wigs on a sewing machine, make sure you take your time. We don't want those wigs to come out lumpy, bumpy, you know, not fitting the client hair right. So you want to take your time. Here I am removing the base of the sewing machine, or whatever you want to call it. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I literally taught myself how to do sewing machine wigs myself, like, and from YouTube University. Like, it just came naturally to me. But y'all, I'm just moving this so the cap can lay better and flatter, so I won't have to do no tugging, no pulling, no none of that. I do have to say, when doing units on a sewing machine, you do have to have patience. The key is patience. Like, you want to take your time when doing this. Trust me. Because, baby, I done had so many lumpy wigs from being impatient and not taking my time. Here I'm sewing the wefts onto the cap. I'm trying to follow the lines. Make sure you guys stay on the lines. The guidelines that you drew on your cap, what's the point of drawing them if you're not going to follow them? So make sure you stay on the line when sewing. And most importantly, take your time. You do not have to rush through this process. When sewing the wefts onto the cap, you want to make sure that your cap is flat in that area. If it's all bunched up, lumped up, or whatever, the unit is gonna come out lumpy. You're gonna have lumps in it. Like, if you have a straight unit, you're gonna see that lump if you do not straighten or flatten out that cap. Don't tug on it. Remember, do not tug on it, but flatten it out. So it normally takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to finish a full wig. That's without styling. I feel like I'll get better over the time, but it only been like I want to say 2 years on and off. I just haven't been consistent with it. I feel like if I be consistent with it, I can be done with a wig in probably 15 minutes if I just constantly keep doing it. But I'm still teaching myself new hacks, new tricks or whatnot. All I have to say is YouTube University. That is what taught me, and I guarantee you can learn the same way I did. Oh my god, y'all, that sound is so satisfying to me. Like, I just love to hear that. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this of me doing wigs or doing my job, what I do best. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend, and stay tuned for the end result.
All I know is I kept grinding, got back up at perfect timing. This heat on me, tell your stomach lining. Police want me, tell that boy come find me. All I know is I kept grinding, got back up at perfect timing. This heat on me, tell your stomach lining. Police want me, tell that boy come find me.